Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve the equation. The absolute value of 2x minus 6 equals 10. Write two separate cases, solve each, and check both solutions in the original equation. Now let us work through the solution step by step. The absolute value of an expression equals 10 whenever that expression itself is either positive 10 or negative 10. So we split the equation into two separate cases and solve each one. Case 1 sets the inside expression equal to positive 10. Case 2 sets the inside expression equal to negative 10. For case 1, add 6 to both sides to get 2x equals 16, then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 8. For case 2, add 6 to both sides to get 2x equals negative 4, then divide both sides by 2 to get x equals negative 2. To check x equals 8, substitute it into the original equation. 2 times 8 is 16, minus 6 is 10, and the absolute value of 10 is 10. That matches the right side, so x equals 8 checks out. To check x equals negative 2, substitute it in. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, minus 6 is negative 10, and the absolute value of negative 10 is 10. That matches the right side, so x equals negative 2 also checks out. Both solutions are confirmed. The final answer is x equals 8 or x equals negative 2. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.